What's up, guys? Thomas Feng with Bay Area Connect, bringing you this week's Friday's financial update, brought to you by Joe Lima of Princeton Capital. Joe, why don't you first get us caught up on current interest rates?
Thanks, Thomas. Well, as you may notice from previous week's videos, the interest rates this week have trickled down a little bit. So you're looking about an eighth lower across the board. So loan amounts up to $417,000, you're going to see a interest rate between 3.625 and 3.75 on a 30-year fix, depending on the down payment from the borrower. Any loan amount between 417 and 625 500, again depending on the down payment, you're going to see an interest rate between 3.75 and 3.875. And then jumbo loans, any loan above 625 500, you'll see a rate between 4.25% to 4.5% on a 30-year fix. And FHA loans, for some of you home buyers looking for a low down payment, 3.5%, you can get a rate down to 3.375 up to 3.625, which is great for some of you first-time buyers out there.
Great, thanks for that update, Joe. So every week, not only are we going to update you on the current interest rates, but also any news that might affect the home buying market. So, Joe, what are you seeing this week so far?
Well, there hasn't been one major cause for the slight drop in the rates, but a bunch of little tidbits of bad news that have come out over the past week. Last Friday, we had a weaker than expected employment data come out, which drastically affected the stock market and helped out the mortgage-backed securities. This week we've had some news coming from Europe again with Spain and how much money they're borrowing, and we had some news about China and their weaker than expected imports and exports, which shows that their economy is weakening as well. So any little piece of bad news has reflected better stock or better rates.
Great. So again, like Joe said, any bad news actually helps out interest rates by bringing them down even lower. Let me give you guys an update for the city of Santa Clara for June of 2012. We had a total of 97 new listings, 11 in the 700s, 25 in the 600s, 11 in the 500s, and 39 below the 400,000s, for a total of 86 out of 97 new listings listed below 700K. For sold listings, we had a total of 87 sold, 7 in the 700s, 19 in the 600s, 11 in the 500s, and 41 below 400s, for a total of 78 out of 87 sold homes sold below 700K. So right now in Santa Clara City, we're seeing a lot of traffic in that 600 to 700,000 price point. Again, for a more in-depth market report, and we'll cover how the inventory is doing and also pricing and where that's going, check out my blog at bayareaconnect.com. Thanks again for watching and have a great week.